All right, for number one, we're going to mark the middle because it's in both triangles, and we should see that that is what rule? Side angle side. Number two, I'm going to mark the middle, and if you look at the top triangle, what is it? What's the top triangle? Side angle side. But if you look at the bottom triangle, what's the problem? This side is across from it. It is not around it like it should be. So based on that, it doesn't work. If it doesn't work for one triangle, it doesn't work for any of them. It's got to do both. Number three, I'm going to mark the middle because it's in both. Looking at that one, you get side angle side because it goes around the angle. Number four, the first triangle would be what rule? That would be side angle side right here. But this second one, the angle should be up top. And since it's not, that's a none. Number five, I'm going to mark the middle. Well, all the sides are marked, so side, side, side. 6 is the exact same rule. Side, side, side. Go down to 7. I would say 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's the side, side, side. Number 8, I'm marking the middle. Angle is in between, so side, angle, side. Number 9, mark the middle. So what is that one?
It's none.
It's none. What's the problem with it?
Because that other triangle.
This one, this mark right here should be at the bottom to make side, angle, side. Since it's not, you got to put none. 10, that one is side, angle, side. All right, number 11. This is the missing information stuff. Well, what do I mark first? The vertical. So there's no vertical. That takes care of the angle part. I've already got one pair of sides marked. So I'm obviously missing the other pair of sides, which has to be here and here to go around that angle. So what did we just mark? We marked that JI is equal to IE. That's what your answer is on that one. Number 12, what's already marked for me? The sides. So both pair of sides are gone. I need the angle. And the angle in this case has to be in between the two sides. Now, can I say angle L equals angle H and be okay for that?
Yes.
If there's only one angle there, you're fine. It's when there's two angles at the same point that you have to do the 3 letters. So L equals H would work for that. All right, 13, what am I going to mark? So that takes care of one pair of sides. Mark in the middle, takes care of one pair. I've got another pair already marked. So what am I obviously missing? The top and bottom last side. So dx would equal zy. And you can switch that around and say xd and yz and still be fine. Number 14, it gives me 2 sides. I'm missing the third. RT equals ZX. 15, I've got one side, one angle. I'm missing the other pair of sides. That would be there and there to go around it. That would be WU equals XZ. 16, I'm missing one of the sides, which would be EG equal to WY. And then the last 2 down here, mark my middle. So what have I got marked already?
Your sides.
My 2 pair of sides. Obviously missing then the angle, which has to be in between the 2, which means it's got to be up at F. Can I say angle F equals angle F? No. There's more than one angle there.
Angle EFG.
So I've got to go around it and say something like EFG equals
Angle QFG.
QFG.
Could you do QGF?
No. You can rearrange the first and the third. So you could say GFE for that one, and you could say GFQ for that one. But the F has to be in the middle on that. The last one, 18, I do my vertical, mark that, so that takes care of the angle. There's one side that's already marked. I need the other side, which has to go around it. DS equals ST. All right, for angle, side, angle, and angle, angle, side, doing this first one, mark the middle, which gives me angle, side, angle. Same deal on number 2, mark the middle. What rule? Angle side angle again. Number 3, mark the vertical. So what is marked up here? 2 angles and 1 side. Well, which rule is it though? This is angle side because the side is not in between. Number 4. What's number 4?
None.
Nothing. What did they give me?
Side.
2 sides. They're not connected, so I can't mark anything. There's no rule that has 2 sides and nothing else, so that's a no. Number 5, mark the vertical. That would be.
Side. Angle side. I mean angle side.
Yeah, I know that's what you meant. Number 6, they give me 2 sides again.
No.
There's no rule that has 2 sides and nothing else. Number 7, they give me 3 angles. Is there a rule that has 3 angles?
No.
No. So that's a none. And the reason for it is this. I could draw a small triangle that had a 60, a 60, and a 60, right?
Yes.
Right.
I can draw a huge triangle that had a 60, a 60, and a 60. Are the angles the same?
No.
Yes.
Are the angles the same? Yes. Are the triangles the same?
No.
No. So you can't use angle, angle, angle as a rule. All right, number 8, do the vertical. Angle, angle, side, because it's not in between. Number 9, angle, side, angle, because the side is in between. 10, mark the middle. Angle, angle, side for that one.
Where I see 2 angles. Oh, never mind.
Number 11, now we're doing the missing piece. All right, mark the middle. That takes care of the side. There's 1 angle that's already done. What am I obviously missing?
Side.
The other angle,
Angle. That's what I said.
which has to be over there. Can I say angle C equals angle C?
No.
No. How would I label the top one then?
Angle DCQ equals angle BCE.
Now, I think y'all said it different. DCQ, that's fine. Here, ECD, that would be fine. The C has to be in the middle though. Number 12, what's labeled already?
The angles.
The angles, which means I'm missing
The side.
side.
Middle, so K
so KL,
equals
TU. All right, 13, we mark the vertical.
So
That takes care of my 2 angles. I'm obviously missing the side. That has to be where?
between C and S.
Between the 2. So that would be there and there. So CS equals SR. 14, got my vertical. Got the 2 pairs of angles. Missing the side. Where does the side have to be? What's in between would be there and there. WV equals VK. Number 15, mark the side. That takes it out. I've got the 1 angle already. I need angle, angle, side to work, which means the side cannot be in between.
So I need to go under G.
So if I did C, what rule would that be?
Angle side.
That would turn it into angle, side, angle. So I've got to go E equals T. And again, why is it okay to do 1 letter right there?
Because there's only 1 angle.
There's only 1 angle there. 16, they give me the 2 angles. I'm missing the side. So here you actually have 2 choices. If I say ZX, which one would match ZX? I disagree. E and L. And how do I know it's NL?
Because
ZX goes from the nothing to the 2. Nothing to 2 would be NL. So ZX equals NL would be 1. Or I could do ZY equals MN and I'd still have the same rule. Angle, angle, side. The last one down here, mark my middle. So that takes care of the side. I've got 1 angle. I need the other angle. Where does it have to be?
on the other side.
So how would I label that top one?
G, V,
Say it again.
GHV.
VHG would work. How would I label the bottom one down there at G?
G, H.
Here, label my middle. That takes care of the sides. I've got 1 angle at the top. All right, on this one, you actually have a ton of different choices. Most people just do like this. If I did this choice, I would say something like FKL equals KLJ. But you could also turn around and say, well, I'm just going to put them both on the same side. Would that still be angle, angle, side?
Yes.
Yeah, so then I would say FKL equals JKL. Or you could even do this and go to the other side and put them over there. It would still work.
Wait.